Ratchet strap class 101. Hook around the bar. Better if this is closer so that this has no chance to slide over and become loose later. So try to put the strap close and keep them even. Try to keep the strap straight without too many twists in it. Pull the slack, holding the ratchet in one side. Okay, hook around on the other side. Loose end, pull alongside the strap. Pinch here in the middle and turn it. Now we can tighten. That's it.
How to unlock it?
How to unlock it? Again, pinch here and open until this is straight. Then you can pull your slack out and unlock it, unleash it.
Okay, put it back, right?
Yes.